In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the CountIf function. The CountIf function allows you to count the number of occurrences every time the specified condition is met. Let's use a table of stored transactions as an example. Let's say we want to count the amount of bottles purchased, so we'd simply do equals CountIf, open brackets, we select the range that we want to count, comma, and the criteria, which in this case is E10, which is bottle, close brackets, and enter. And now we can see that bottle has appeared 3 times in this list. Let's say I want to count how many times 199 has appeared in the list. So we do the same thing, which is equals CountIf, open brackets, we select the range that I want to count, comma, and then we select the criteria, which in this case is 199, which is in this cell, close brackets, and enter. You don't necessarily need to select a cell. You could simply just manually type in the value itself and you'll get the exact same result. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.